Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for all our viewers. We'll be sharing some delicious and healthy meal preparation ideas that support overall health and well-being. These recipes are designed to incorporate the vibrant flavors of Indian cuisine while providing essential nutrients for a balanced diet. So let's get started. 1. Meal planning and preparation tips. Discuss the inclusion of Indian superfoods like turmeric, lentils, millets, and ghee, which are known for their health benefits. Encourage using seasonal and locally sourced ingredients to ensure freshness and support local farmers. 2. Nutritious and balanced meal ideas. Showcase a variety of nutritious Indian breakfast recipes such as poha, upma, and idli with sambar and chutney. Demonstrate balanced lunch ideas like dal, roti, a vegetable curry, and a side of yogurt or raita. Present hearty dinner recipes such as vegetable pulav, grilled fish with Indian spices, and a colorful salad. 3. Meal prepping tips for Indian cuisine. Share the benefits of batch cooking Indian staples like dal and rice, making meal prep easier throughout the week. Explain how pre-made spice blends and pastes can save time while adding authentic Indian flavors to dishes. 4. Nutritional benefits of Indian ingredients. For each recipe, discuss the nutritional benefits of Indian ingredients, such as the protein content of lentils, antioxidants in turmeric, and the richness of ghee. Discuss how traditional Ayurvedic principles can guide balanced meal choices and support overall well-being. 5. Meal prep demonstration. Select a couple of recipes and demonstrate the step-by-step process of preparing them for meal prepping. Remember, embracing a healthy lifestyle is about nourishing both the body and the soul. We hope these recipes will help you stay on track with your health goals while enjoying the diverse and delightful tastes of Indian cuisine.